Shots just northeast of us.
They're in the complex. 112, can you turn that way?
Get in!
Hey, fair warning.
Sweetie, get in the house! Get in the house!
314, send me the run. History here.
Well, 13, we got 3 calls in front of the Rock Center. Hey, hands!
I copy.
Show me your hands.
From the rec center.
Hands! All of you, stop! Hands! 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 Got one running. Go!
One running.
Go! Down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Down! Show me your hands!
Chopper shell 5, chopper 5.
Shots fired.
He's gonna come right here. There he is!
Chopper shell 5, chopper 5.
Get him!
Go fire, go fire. I copy, shell fired, 10-3. We're just report. There's nothing apart.
Get him! Get him!
I copy, taking one into custody.
Are you guys okay? I don't know.
I copy, take you out, one in custody.
What about these dudes? Okay.
Oh, there it is. I knew he threw it. I saw him pitch it. Missing the magazine.
Send them home. We got it. We can get it. Sarge will get it.
Yeah, I like it was plain as day. He was he went like this. But I quit watching. I was watching him. I didn't pay attention to how that went.
Right. Good eye.
That's why I was like, I know something went up in the air.
Good eye.